Good morning. Today we're going to learn how to take an applique design and create the cut files for it so that you can use either your Cameo or your Cricut to produce, to cut your appliques that you can just use straight um, in the stitching process. So how to do this, we would initially load this design into Embird, and then we will take it straight into the editor. Up where the colors are, what you would do would be a right click and then separate all colors. This first color that is there is one that I digitized as a placement for if you're doing your normal fabric. If you're using your cut appliques, like one that you would cut on your cutter, you would just stick it, place this, stitch this first out, and then place your applique on it before you went through the rest of your stitches. So I'm actually going to select the second color, which is the tack down for the actual material, and since it's highlighted here, I'm going to do a file, save selected as, unclick everything except for the scalable vector graphics file. This SVG file can either be taken directly into your software if it has that capability, or you can use a program like Inkscape to turn the SVG file into your actual cut file. What I like to do when doing these, I will increase both the width and the height by about 2 millimeters, just so that I am sure that I have enough there to produce a cut piece of fabric that's going to be caught when the tack down line runs. So I mean, you could actually probably even do 3 or 4 millimeter because the satin stitch on there is wider. And just make sure that you center everything in there before you stitch it out. But that's the way you do it. Hope you have fun. Later.